What's up? It's Davey P here with another T-Shirt Tuesday, and this week we've got the IDA, International Detail Association. The IDA is awesome. It's not about what the IDA can do for you, it's about what you can do for the IDA, because what you do helps grow. The IDA is awesome. They provide a standard for what detailing is, try to create a standardized training program to certify detailers all over the country or all over the world, and create a level of detailing that is well known amongst the general population, so they know when they're going in a shop, they're getting top quality detailing, and the person there knows how their chemicals work and know what they're doing. We love the IDA. We are Founders Club members of the IDA, and we love to be involved with the IDA any way we can, and we love to watch them grow, and all the people donate their time and efforts to help it grow. So if you're not an IDA member, if you're not a certified detailer, or you are not skills validated, go to their website and get certified. Check them out, International Detail Association, and check out next week's T-Shirt Tuesday. If you got a shirt, slide into our DMs and we'll feature you.